sweaty hands, dizziness, stomach problems. Sounds familiar? Feeling that something is blocking whole fun from airsoft? If you answered yes, then you sadly understand the problem. If not, please stay with me to learn about big issue, which is anxiety. That's first time when I cover a serious subject, but saying I'm affected by it and many other people, I feel like I need to talk about this. I won't be covering what anxiety is because people affected by it know the being on alarm state too well, but instead I would rather talk about what might cause it and how to deal with it. Some people might confuse anxiety with adrenaline rush. Remember that no matter what someone says, you have to know is that a real problem or just adrenaline. For example, me personally have anxiety outside airsoft and I don't feel comfortable around other people, which causes nausea, sweating and overall worse mood. But airsoft can be sort of social training and can lead to friends and most importantly, breaking own barriers. Absolutely. 99% of fears or problems are only in your head. People do not have scanners like Terminator and won't judge you. They come on field to shoot with you, or at you, so you shouldn't be worried about it. If you have problems traveling, which is common issue, try finding a group that comes to your side and maybe they pick you up. If not, there's always family, or maybe there's some friend who wants to go on airsoft. I'm sure you will figure this out. Now I would like to talk about something which is uncommon but happens: gear fear or skill fear. Never compare your gear to someone's gear. He has a cooler replica, he has more frags than me, then my AEG is so bad compared to HPA. Stop! That doesn't matter. If you compare your gear and translate this as happiness, then you do it wrong. Your CIMA 28, Spetsna or whatever you have is great. A craftsman never blames his tools, right? Also, if you are new, it's pretty hard to have the best possible gear, but at the same time, what is best possible gear? For me it's Beretta HPA tapped, even that everyone was saying it's stupid idea because high kappa is better. And guess what? I'm having fun with it. And so should you with what you have. Being afraid of getting hit. That might be common. Hell, even I have this problem after about 12 years in airsoft. But there are things that might help you out with that. And the first one is of course good protection. Afraid of headshot? Get a helmet or cap with stalker mask. Arm shot is painful. Get a long sleeves, preferably not too tight so the BB can bounce off. And of course, after getting hit couple of times, you will understand that it hurts only for a moment. If you are afraid of getting shot, just get shot. That might sound stupid, but it works. You won't even notice when the fear stops existing and your confidence will rise. Cheating. Want to lose respect immediately? Just don't call your hits. Cheating is biggest issue in airsoft because the main point is to play fair. People tend to get angry when someone is cheating or they just don't hit while being completely sure they did. Even me myself cheated by accident and this just happens to everyone. Either you didn't felt that or not sure if that was a ricochet. But most people just say you got hit without argues. Of course there are people who just love to argue but don't care about them. Don't let them destroy your fun. If you are unsure, sometimes it's better to go on respawn or ask teammate. Maybe he saw was that a hit? And remember, biggest respect is playing fair. Play fair, win everything. At least in airsoft. Imagine this picture. You are alone, you see many people in field, many groups of people. You are nervous, dizzy, not sure. Round starts. You go with your team and starts blasting at enemies. There's no fear or anxiety here, only adrenaline. Yes, this time it's only adrenaline. You cover your teammates.
Leć. Leć.
Or even go on flank with some random guy.
Bo nasi też na patio siedzą i blokują.
No tak. A na zewnątrz nie mogło wyjść?
Do którędy?
No masz to wyjście.
No... No niby mogą, ale nie widziałem, no.
To co, idziemy się dali zabezpieczyć?
No to chodź. Włodziu! Włodziu! Nieważne.
You don't feel fear, stress, or anything like that.
Czerwoni!
You just have fun.
Nienawidzę tych schodów. Dobra.
You even make jokes with the enemy team while shooting at them.
Czerwony! Okej, to się bijemy! Nie! Nie trzech! Nie powiem! Jestem tylko ja! Ja mam po prostu rozdwojenie jaźni, panowie! Cześć! Juhu!
O kurwa, dużo.
Aż tak nas nienawidzicie? A co masz, kolego, do plecaka podpięte z tyłu? Jakaś taka maskotka jakby. Stąd jak prosiaczek to wygląda. O tak ty tam. Prosiaczek? Ale jazda. Prosiaczek!
Round ends. You talk with this random guy about how fun the flank was or what replica he has. No one laughs at you. You are not nervous. Mission complete.
Mamy 3.
To jest wielu. Jak dawno jak to piątki w łapach nie miałem.
Nie, fajnie się jednak trzyma.
To jest Symka?
EP5.
Ale cymy, czy...
Tak.
Cholera.
Myślę w domu JG, które tak się zacina z godziny.
Miałem kiedyś JG i... Cymy się bardzo poprawiły ostatnimi czasy. Z jakiegoś powodu, nie wiem dlaczego, ale zajebiste są.
If you want to do this, you can do this. No fear can beat you. Airsoft is great fun and great social training, so worry not. It's not about how expensive your gear is or how great your skills are. It's about your fun and your comfort. Now go on field, smack some asses and break own barriers. I believe in you. For outro, I just wanted to say I'm amazed my channel is already 1 year old, so treat this as anniversary video. Both going on Airsoft and doing those videos work as quote therapy for me and I see progress. Anxiety or fear is a bitch, but don't give up. If you found that interesting, consider giving me a like and I hope to see you on next video about new piece of equipment I just ordered.